If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees. So let's draw a circle with center O from a point P to tangents PA and PB. They are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree. This angle is 80. Now we have to find angle POA, that means this angle. Here this 80 will be divided into 40 because if we join this triangles are going to be congruent, and we know radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so this angle is 90 degree. So we can use angle sum property of a triangle and find this angle. So here we have 90 and 40 and 50 makes 90. 90 is 180. So angle POA is going to be 50 degree. Next question, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 4 centimeter. So let's draw a circle, center O from a point Q. Supposing point Q is here. The length of tangent, so supposing the tangent is PQ, the length of the tangent is 4 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center, so distance of Q from the center is 5 centimeter, and we have to find this radius. So this radius we know is perpendicular to the tangent, and this angle POQ is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square, that is OQ square, equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides, so it will be OP square plus PQ square. OQ is 5, OP is the radius, PQ is 4 centimeter. So 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16. Bring the 16 to the left hand side, it will be minus 16 equal to R square. So R square 25 minus 16 is 9. So R will be root over 9. We'll take only the positive value because it's the length. So the radius is 3 centimeter. Next one, the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter. Let's draw a circle and a diameter. So supposing this is center, so AB is the diameter. Now let's draw two tangents at the ends of the diameter and one tangent here. So this tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Another tangent here. This tangent also is perpendicular to this radius. Okay. So what we can see that these two tangents are parallel. So tangents at the ends of the diameter of a circle will be always parallel. Next question, the distance between two parallel tangents to a circle of radius 8 centimeter. So as we have seen in the previous question, tangents at the ends of the diameter are parallel. So if the radius is 8 centimeter, so from here OA is 8 centimeter and this radius also is 8 centimeter. OB is also 8 centimeter. So what will be the distance between the tangents? Distance between the tangents is from A till B. So you can see A till B will be 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter. Next question, a part of the circle whose end points are end point of a diameter. So let's draw a diameter AOB. The part of the circle, only the portion of that circle whose endpoints are at the endpoints of the diameter, and this is called a semicircle, so it will be semicircle. Next question, perimeter of a scalene triangle having sides 15, 14 and 13 centimeters. So we have a triangle with sides 13, 14 and 15, and perimeter means sum of all the sides. So if we add 13 plus 14 plus 15, we get the perimeter, and perimeter will be 15 plus 14 plus 13 will be 42 centimeters. So answer is 42 centimeters. Next question also is perimeter of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has all its sides equal. So if one side is 9 centimeter, each side will be 9 centimeter. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. 9 plus 9 plus 9 will be 27. Or if you want to apply the formula of a perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 times the side. If the side is A, it will be 3A, and A here is 9. So 3 into 9 is 27 centimeter. Next question, in the figure, PQ and PR are tangents. PQ and PR are tangents with center 1, radius is 5 centimeters. So here the radius, this is radius is 5 centimeter. This is also radius, so it will be 5 centimeter because radii of circle are equal. And OP is given to be 13 centimeters, so this is 13. And we know tangent and radius are perpendicular at the point of contact, so this angle is 90 degree. Here also this angle will be 90 degree. So let's find PQ first by using Pythagoras theorem. So in this right triangle POQ, by hypotenuse is OP. OP square equals to OQ square plus PQ square. OP is 13, so 13 square equals to OQ is 5 square, and PQ we don't know, so let's write PQ. So 13 square is 169 plus or minus 5 square is 25 equals to PQ square. Then this will be 144 equals to PQ square. So PQ is going to be root over 144, which is 12 centimeters. So PQ is 12 centimeter, and we know length of tangents from external point are equal, so PQ and PR are going to be equal, so this will be also 12. Now we have to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. So if we add all the sides, here we have OQ is 5, then OR is 5, then PQ is 12, then PR is 12. So 10 plus 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 10 will be 34 centimeters. So the perimeter of the quadrilateral PQOR is 34 centimeter. Next question, the portion of a circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc. So let's draw a circle, center O, supposing chord here, and the corresponding arc, this is the arc. So this portion enclosed between a chord and an arc is called segment. This is called segment. So the correct answer is option D, segment of the circle. Next, the portion of the circular region enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc. So if we draw a circle with center O, supposing we have 2 radii and an arc here, corresponding arc. So this region is known as sector. So the answer is sector of the circle. Next question, if r is the radius of a circle and theta is the angle subtended by an arc at the center. So this is theta here, this is radius, length of the arc is L. So area of the sector. Now area of sector has two formula. One is theta by 360 pi r square, and the one is half into length of arc into radius. So in this case they have given us this one, half L into R. Next question, area of circle is 49 pi centimeter square, its circumference is. So area of circle is 49 pi centimeter square, but we know area of circle is pi r square, so pi r square has to be 49 pi. Pi if we cancel from both sides, we get r square equals to 49, so r will be root 49. Root 49 is 7. Then we have to find its circumference. So circumference is, we know 2 pi r, so 2 pi, let's leave pi as it is, and r we got 7, so into 7 to is a 14 pi centimeter. So this is the circumference, 14 pi centimeter. Next, in a circle of radius 21, sector angle is 60 degree. Find the length of an arc. So length of an arc we can use this formula, theta by 360 into the circumference, that is 2 pi r. So theta here is 60 degree by 360 into 2 and 22 by 7 to radius is 21. So let's cancel the 0 here. 6166 are 30, 6 7 1 7 3 are 21, 2 1 2 3 is 6, then this 3 can be cancelled, so we are left only with 22 centimeters. So the correct answer is 22 centimeter. The angle made by the minute hand of a clock at its center in 15 minutes duration is, for this type of sums you have to memorize this. 1 minute is always equal to 6 degree. Angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. So 15 minutes will be equal to 6 degree into 15. That will be 90 degree. So answer is 90 degree. And if you draw the figure, so if the minute hand is at 12, after 15 minutes it will go here. So you can see in 15 minutes the angle described by the minute hand is 90 degree. Next, if the area and circumference of a circle are numerically equal, means area and circumference are numerically equal, so that means pi r square, which is area of the circle, and circumference is 2 pi r, they are equal. Pi and pi you can cancel from both sides, so r square, which is r into r, where equals to twice r, so this r also cancels. So radius is 2 centimeter or 2 units, and we have to find the diameter, and we know diameter is 2 times the radius, so 2 into 2 will make 4, so the diameter will be 4 units. Next question, if the circumference of a circle increases from 2 pi to 4 pi, so new circumference, supposing C2 and original circumference is C1, the ratio is, becomes 4 pi by 2 pi. So circumference, we know the formula is 2 pi r for the new, so let's write r2, radius r1, 4 pi by 2 pi. So in the left hand side 2 pi will cancel, and here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, pi will cancel. So we're getting new radius by original radius is 2 by 1. Now we have to find how much will be the area, increase in area. So new area divided by the original area will be, we know formula is pi r square, so new radius r2 square, pi r square, r1 square, pi will cancel, so we're left with r2 by r1 whole thing square, which is 2 by 1 whole thing square, 2 square by will be 4 by 1, so means the new area is 4 times the original area, so it will be 4 times. Next question, the total surface area of a hemispherical object of radius r. We know the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Next, length of the diagonal of a cube of side A, length of diagonal is root 3a, which is option C. Next question, the area of a square is same as the area of a circle. Area of a square means a square if the side is a, and area of a circle is pi r square, they are equal. So a will be, if you remove the square, it will be root over pi r square, so it will be r will come out from the root, so r root pi. Now their perimeters are in the ratio, so we have to find the ratio of the perimeter of the square by perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the square means the sum of all sides, that is 4 times a, and perimeter of circle is circumference, which is 2 pi r. Now we'll substitute this value of a, so it will be 4 times r into root pi, because a is this a, we have r into root pi, and divided by 2 pi r, this we can cancel, so 2 r is cancelled, so we're left with 2 root pi divided by pi. Now this we can write 2 pi. This pi also we can write root pi into root pi. Root pi into root pi will be pi. So this let's cancel. So we're left with 2 divided by root pi. So it will be 2 is to root pi. So let's look for the correct answer. Parameters. This is the correct answer. A bicycle wheel makes 1000 revolutions in moving 88,000 meter. So this type of questions you have to remember that circumference will be equal to total distance divided by the number of revolutions. Okay, or number of revolutions is total distance by circumference. So circumference will be total distance covered is 88,000 divided by number of revolutions 1000. You cancel this. So circumference we are getting 88, and we know circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r will be 88. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r will be 88. So r will be 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So if you cancel, you'll get 44 here. 2 times is 44. So radius is 14 meter. And we have to find the diameter. So diameter is double of radius. So diameter will be 2 times the radius. So 2 into 14, which is 28 meter. So let's look for 28 meters. So that's the correct answer. Next question. A quadrant ruler has a circumference 4 meter and the revolution it makes. We have to find the number of revolutions. So number of revolutions will be equal to total distance divided by circumference. So total distance here it is 40 meter and circumference is given 4. So if you cancel, it will be 10. So number of revolutions is 10. Next, the angle described by the minute hand in 1 hour. So if we draw, supposing there's a minute hand which is at 12, in 1 hour it will go one complete round and will come back till here. So the total angle described in 1 hour, it will be 360 degree. So answer is 360 degree. Next question, the circumference of a circle of diameter d. Now we know circumference is twice pi r, but twice r is the diameter. 2 times r is diameter, so we can write d and pi. So the circumference is d into pi or pi into d. So option is A. Next question, if r and h are the radius and height of this right circular cone, its curved surface area. We know curved surface area is pi r l, and l, that is slant height, can also be written as root over h square plus r square or r square plus h square. So the correct option is C, pi r root over r square plus h square. Next question, the area of a sector whose perimeter is 4 times its radius. Now perimeter of a sector, suppose we draw the sector, boundary of sector is, we have 2 radii and this length of arc. So perimeter of sector, if you look at this figure, is 2r plus l. This is the perimeter of sector. According to the question, perimeter is 4 times, so 4 times the radius, so 4r. So but we know perimeter of sector is twice r plus length of arc equals to 4r. So L will be 4r. Take this 2r to the other side, it will be minus 2r. So L will be 2r. Now we have to find area of the sector. Area of sector has two formula. Area will be half in terms of length of sector. In length of arc is half L into r. So length of arc we got twice r. So we can put 2r here and into this r. So 2 will cancel. So r into r is r square. So the correct option is C, r square. Distance covered by a wheel in one revolution. Here you have to remember the distance covered by a wheel in one revolution is always equal to its circumference. Next question, the circumference of a bicycle wheel that makes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometer. Now we know circumference will be total distance divided by the number of revolutions. Okay, so total distance here is 11 kilometer, let's make it meter, divided by 5000. This will cancel out, so we're left with 11 by 5 in meter, and if you want to make it centimeter, we have to multiply with 100, so we can cancel again, so we'll get 220 centimeters. So the correct option is C, 220 centimeter. Next question, the area of a circle when area and circumference are numerically equal. So given that area of a circle is equal to circumference, and we know area of circle is pi r square, equals to circumference is 2 pi r. So pi will cancel, r square means r into r equals to 2r, again more r will cancel, so the radius is 2 units. And we have to find the area of the circle. So area of circle is pi r square. Pi, let's leave it pi. Radius is, we got 2, so 2 square makes 4 pi. So the correct option is 4 pi. Next question, when area and circumference are numerically equal, so we've just done this. Area and circumference are numerically equal means pi r square is equals to 2 pi r. Pi will cancel, so radius into radius equals to 2 times radius, so radius will be 2 units, so correct option is 2 units. Next question, the difference between circumference and diameter of a circle is 90 centimeter. So difference between circumference of a circle minus the diameter is given to be 90 centimeter. So circumference formula is 2 pi r, diameter is 2 times the radius, equals to 90. We can take 2r common, we have 2r common, so 2r common, pi minus 1 equals to 90. So now pi, we will put 22 by 7 minus 1 equals to 90. Then 2r, if we take LCM here as 7, so it will be 22 minus 1 into 7, 7, so it will be 7 here, equals to 90. So 2r equals into, this will be 15 by 7 equals to 90. So if I put only r here, will be 90 into 7 divided by 2 into 15. So 2 1s are 2, 245, 15 1, 15 3s are 45, so 7 into 3 will make 21. So the radius is 21 centimeters, so the correct option is D, 21 centimeter.